Hey, morning everybody, it's Keith from Jets PC. I just wanted to kind of do an update on the Linux project. I've got to fool with wine. Hopefully I'll have some time today. I just had some ideas that I've been reading about and seem to be helpful about trying to secure Linux a little better than it already does. It does a good job, but there's some simple stuff, or at least fairly simple, that you can do to kind of better protect yourself when you're using Linux if you've decided to ditch Windows. Number one I did was turn on the firewall. There's a firewall built in, so you may have to go to the software manager and download maybe a front-end interface, but there's a firewall, and I enabled it and blocked incoming traffic unless I need something. So that kind of turns it, or secures it a little bit as well. Now, I've read suggestions about turning on the screen lock, just like in Windows. If you walk away from your desktop or laptop, you want the screen to lock in a reasonable amount of time and basically force you to put the password back in. Otherwise, they're not going to get in case you're away from your laptop or something and something keeps you from coming right back. At least it won't be sitting there exposed with your with whatever you were doing or whatever. So always good to turn on the screen lock and make yourself log back in again. Maybe you want to install a VPN. I'm not exactly using this box in the wild yet, so it stays on my network here at the shop and while I'm fooling with it. So, but if you're gonna start using it in the wild, consider a VPN maybe, and look at switching to a private DNS server as well. There's some how-tos out there. And last but not least, look at a privacy-friendly browser. I mean, Firefox does an okay job, but I downloaded the software for Brave, or the package for Brave, and have it installed. And we'll see. It seems to be pretty, at least provides you with a little bit more privacy and things like that. But something to consider. So those are some tips I'm going to start working on here as well on mine. And also as I try to tackle Wine and see if I can get those camera exe, the camera exe I had to do the VirtualBox for to get a Windows 10 thing to where I could see my cameras. I'm going to try Wine and see if I can see it in Linux and not have to use the VirtualBox. So we'll see. I'll keep you updated as time goes by. Thanks for checking this video, and be sure to hit subscribe if you like. Have a good day.